So, how do you feel?
Is this thing on?
No, this is Patrick.
This is so embarrassing, and my mom's in the room. But anyway, so I'm going to be packing for Balesin, and you guys can join me on my journey if it's interesting at all. So just to begin, to go to Balesin, you actually need to get swab tested, and that was the first time that I had ever gotten swab tested before, and I'd say that it was kind of a scary experience beforehand. But to ease your minds for those who are planning to get swab tested and travel, let me tell you about my experience. I got swab tested on a Sunday at 9 a.m.
Yeah.
I would say that because we're going to Balesin, which is a really expensive resort,
We paid $9 for this?
I paid 10.
the place was already really nice. All the doctors and all the staff were really accommodating. These clips are of my friends getting swab tested before me because I was so scared to get swab tested. Yeah, your girl went last. Getting swab tested was a lot scarier beforehand than it actually was. It wasn't painful. Like, it wasn't as painful as people made it out to be.
So, how do you feel?
Not as bad as I expected.
Are you crying?
I would say there's nothing to be scared of. If you're gonna get swab tested, don't be scared. You're getting a first-hand experience here. It's not painful. Moving on, I should probably start getting packed. However, a package arrived for me today, and I thought I would open it with you guys because it's just so fun to open packages. So here, let me show you what I got. I got a package and it arrived today. It's so cute because it says, "Thank you, Sari," with a heart. That is so adorable. I ordered a pair of jeans from this store called Cupid PH or something like that. I think I'll put it down below here. I ordered this on Monday and it arrived today, Wednesday, so that's pretty great. Oh, it's so well packaged. It came in like a little Ziploc bag. Oh my gosh, look. It came with a little freebie, a little scrunchie. I love that. It's such a pretty color too. And it comes with a little note. It has like this comic design on it. That is awesome. And it says, "Thank you for your order." What I really love about small thrift stores is that the prices are, of course, so affordable. Also, they put so much thought and effort into each package. And it comes with freebie stickers. Oh my gosh. Volleyball here. It's a little sun that says, "Be happy." Scooby-Doo van that says surfing. Time for the jeans. Oh my god. It says free here on the... Here are the jeans that I got. And I got this for 200 pesos only.
Wow.
These are a perfect fit. I really like the cut of the jeans. They're just straight going down. They're super high-waisted. Yeah! Oh, and by the way, don't forget to collect your plastic. Put them aside because there's actually places where you can donate plastic. They'll be repurposed into bricks and pavements, and I think that's a really great way to be more eco-friendly. So I'll be leaving links to where you can donate your plastics to in the description box down below. We have talked about getting swab tested. We have opened up a package. Before we start packing, I want to give a disclaimer about the inside of my closet. Please don't judge me. It is literally the worst mess you've ever seen about inside of closet. And if you be like, "Oh, it's probably not that bad, my closet's a mess too," it's that bad. Okay, please don't judge me. Let's just talk about the outside of my closet for a second. Outside of my closet is like pictures of me and my friends. It makes me happy every time I see pictures of moments I've had in my life, experiences that I've experienced. And now for the big reveal. That is my closet. Beautiful, isn't it? And because physically my life is a mess, my mind has no oh my god.
It's going down. I'm yelling timber.
My mind has no space to be disorganized. I have prepared a list of things that I have to pack. I will read them for you now very quickly. Clothes, makeup kit, toiletries, books and planner, recording equipment, food, wallet, slippers, medicine, charger, and masks. Okay. time to get started. And because we have 3 days there, I decided that I would have 5 outfits total. So I've decided on wearing this little tube top for going there, along with these shorts, this other dress from my thrift haul video. I will also put that in the information icon for you, and I will be wearing these for sleeping or during those chill moments in the villa. You know, it's very Boracay chic. So now that I'm done with the clothes, I will get to packing the actual items, and yeah. Okay, so that was a lot quicker than I thought it would be, and if I had just started hours ago, I probably would have been finished much earlier. Learn a lesson from me, just get it done, kids.